Mga kabombot ka sa nation, sa pagkakataong ito, nasa linya na ng ating komunikasyon ang abogado ni Kingdom of Jesus Christ, Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Walang iba, si Attorney Ezraelito Turion. Makibalita tayo hinggil ho dito sa ituhong nababalita nga na request ng Estados Unidos na ma-extradite ang naturang pastor patungo sa kanilang bansa. Magandang umaga po, Attorney. Si Bombo Victor po ito together with Bombo Jai. Unang-unang hong katanungan ko, Attorney. Meron ho ba kayong impormasyon ngayon o natanggap na dokumento hinggil pa rin nga dito sa extradition request ng Estados Unidos laban kay Pastor Kibuloy? Go ahead po, Attorney.
Well, I have yet to receive a formal notification about that extradition request, no? Kaya nga kahapon nag-no comment ako kasi hindi ko talaga alam yan. And that is why I refused to comment yesterday. So, as to an official communication, no, I have not received anything. And if it is true, then our reply would be we respect the prerogatives of the United States of America because that is really within the power and authority of the United States to request the Republic of the Philippines because of the extradition treaty that we have with the U.S. Well,
Matanong ko lamang, Attorney, no, may inihain po ba kayong motion o anumang klase ho ng petisyon sa Korte Suprema sakaling mayroon ng tiyak na extradition laban kay Pastor Kibuloy?
wala pa namang wala pang na-file yung gobyerno. Yan, kasi kung may i-file yung gobyerno, naka-furnish kami. We are awaiting that motion to be filed kung totoo man. Pero hanggang ngayon kasi wala pa kami natanggap. At may deklarasyon ata yung DOJ spokesman na habang pending pa yung kaso, dapat igalang yung kaso muna bago aksyonan ng gobyerno. Sana tutuhanin po yun ng ating gobyerno kasi totoo naman ay na nasa korte na po ang kaso. So dapat irespeto po ng ating executive department yung prerogatives and powers also of the court, that since the case is already within its jurisdiction, then the case should be decided to its fullest before entertaining the extradition request.
Attorney, may katanungan rin ang aking kapartner dito, si Bombo Jai. Bombo Jai, go ahead.
So, Attorney, posible po bang ma-extradite si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy kahit na may pending cases ito sa korte?
Gusto mo ang katotohanan talaga? Ang katotohanan talaga kung basahin mo yung extradition treaty, kasi kung ang ma-approve yung extradition request, no? Maski may kaso o ongoing under prosecution or decided already against the accused yung kaso, ang requested state may have the option either to surrender the accused even if the case is pending, no? Ang tawag niyan temporary surrender. Meron ding deferred surrender. Anong ibig sabihin niyan? Deferred surrender is may option ang requested state na tapusin mo na yung proceedings dito sa requested state bago niya i-surrender doon sa requesting state. So ang answer niyan is
Okay, any message po, Attorney, or request po mula sa inyo as his lawyer para kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy?
I recognize that if ever that is true, that is within the prerogatives of the United States of America. Because if we read the extradition treaty, really, it is the option of the United States of America to request the Philippine government to surrender the person of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. And that is why, legally, I am just earnestly requesting, in behalf of my client, that we should also respect Philippine sovereignty. That since the cases are now before Philippine courts, then the Philippine court should be given the full discretion to decide first on the innocence or guilt of Pastor Apollo Kibuloy before the question of extraditing him to the United States of America be decided or considered upon by the Philippine government.
With that, Attorney Turion, maraming salamat to sa mga impormasyon na ibinahagi mo sa amin. From time to time, Attorney, no, makikibalita kami, paingil pa rin ho dito sa development, dito nga sa mga kinakaharap na kaso ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.